In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to embed a map, add a custom form, or include a unique feature to enhance your site, knowing how to add HTML code can give you more flexibility and control over your website's appearance and functionality. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the Weebly website. This is your hub for all things related to building and managing your site, and it's where we'll begin our work today. Once you're there, look for the login option. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to step into your workspace. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Weebly sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you're using the email linked to your Weebly account to avoid any access issues. After typing in your email, go ahead and click on Next. This will prompt the system to verify your credentials so you can continue the process. The next step is to enter your password. Remember to be careful while inputting this, ensuring that caps lock is off and there are no accidental spaces. Once your password is entered, click on the login button to proceed. Now you're officially in. Once logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, find the Overview tab. This tab provides a comprehensive look at all your sites and tools. Now click on Website to access your sites. Once there, locate the Edit Site option, click on it to open the Weebly editor. The editor is where the magic happens. You're now on the Build page. Here you'll find various elements and tools you can use to customize your site. What you'll want to do next is scroll down the element bar on the left-hand side of the editor. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the Embed Code block. This is what we'll use to inject your custom HTML into the site. Once you find the Embed Code block, click and drag it to the area on your page where you want the new element to appear. This feature allows you to place code precisely where it needs to be, ensuring your site looks just the way you envision. After placing the block, click on it to select the element. You'll see a prompt to edit custom HTML. Click this option and the block will transition into an HTML editor. This is where you'll paste your custom HTML code. The code you paste here will directly affect how this section of your web page functions and looks. And there you have it. You've successfully added HTML code to your Weebly website. Make sure to preview your site to ensure everything displays correctly. Don't forget to save your changes and